Damn. All right, chat. What's up? What's up with ya? All right, I'm just waiting for result to get soup. Then we're looking for some longs here. I wanna look for some sort of a push up. Muhammad Anabushabas. I am bullish at the day, but overall is a bearish bias. But at the short term, I'm bullish. Since we've been dumping for a long time here, so we need to recover for a little bit. But I am bullish for the day, my man. I want to see that Logi soup. I want to see aggressive now. I want to see some sort of aggressiveness to the soup, then potentially long it up from there. There's SMT on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Let me see. The 17 o'clock. Yes, there is a SMT with 17 o'clock candle. It doesn't really matter because if we're bullish, we don't really care unless the 4-hour, the hourly SMTs, we don't really care about unless it's a daily. If it's a daily, okay, we care about it because that's the higher time frame. That fits our bias. But if it's the 4-hour, we don't really give a shit about it. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? What's good, my boy Trader? What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm just waiting for this shit to pull back down. I want to see some sort of aggressiveness. I want to see some sort of gift like this. This right here tells us that the market is definitely in control. That's a good thing. I want to see some sort of a explosive price move to the downside. That could be pretty nice. Chat, the regulated brokers are crazy, bro. Let me see the spreads on regulated broker right now, dog. 15. Yo, chat, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. What is the spread 15 pips? It's not even tradable. What the fuck? Now let me go check the. Bro, I gotta use authenticator to log back into. Bro, what the fuck? Why is the spread 15 pit ticks? What the fuck? It's just spread is floating. That shit is not floating. That has a 15 pip spread. Yo, I wonder is tweaking on me, bro. 15. And that's process. I get you. I got you right now. I got you right now. Overall, on the weekly, we're bearish, right? Overall, on the weekly, we have a weekly ERL to this IRL. It's weekly order block. We also have this weekly sear to the downside. Before this candle close, gives a normal confirmation. And the high, we had an SMT. So that's why this candle pushed down to the downside side because there was a daily ERL back to this daily IRL. That's why the Tuesday candle was overall bearish. But today we have we're buying below the weekly opening price, market to close at a fair price. As well, we have this daily, what can I say on this? We as well have a daily seated upside. As well, we have a daily IRL to this ERL. Why do I say Pacific this candle right over here? Because this candle is the price and detail type of way, where there's the market first have the duration block, retraces it, accumulates, eventually targets the wick. And what next thing we have here is we have a wick below equals high prices. But not gonna lie to you guys, we overall I want to see this fair value gap get disrespected. Once I see the fair value gap get disrespected, it's gonna be very easy sales from there on forward. But today we have to be longs to the daily fair value gap. But I want to see the daily fair value gap get disrespected probably next week, possibly. But what else we have here? We have a consolidation reversal Thursday low of the week, which is a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. Most market is closed at a fair price, so Thursday low will probably hold it off. Now the lower time frame for CRT is a bigger range here, so looking to use a smaller range just as an execution. Nothing but as an execution, right? So you're gonna use a smaller range execution, nothing else, because we already have a 4-hour range, the biggest range right over here. We have a 4-hour bearish order flow, but we do have a daily range here. We did super low, super high, stable low, stable high, premium discount. We're in discount dealer range. You want to dealer range high. We're as well in discounts. So we want to buy up. So we do. I think pretty sure we have another daily range here as well. Super low, we super high, super low, stable high, and stable low. Where again we're in discount again. So overall, this is our overall daily range. But we do have ranges. There's an SMT with GU with this low, right? Range low SMT to range high. So it could be, that's the higher time, that's the weekly. So the weekly can be wrong because in the higher time frame weekly, every market has their own agenda. Right? So that's so as well as overall in the 6-month time frame, we want the market to go up higher to here. Which low you looking for a sweep? I'm looking primarily for this specific low. This 7 a.m. low. Yeah. Let me go check something here. Why is Owanda fucking... Why does Owanda have a 17 fucking pip? Spread is now 1 point is 17. It's bigger than my last fucking. This is a fucking regulated broker. How the fuck does it have a 17 pip spread? Bro, it says 18 there, but it says 1.7 here. Now I gotta go to fuck out of here with that shit. Hold up. I think that's just because of the edit meta traded forward, bro, because that shit is crazy. So it's fluctuating between 17 and 18. I'll go to some sort of a trade hub. I want to see the rest of this. I want to see the spread on this. Let me see the spread here. But what are the spread on this then? Because this one is a trading thing too. She have fucking 18. We can get 1 hour SMT with OT. So you're looking for honor sweep, yes sir. Until this candle, until this 4 hour candle close, which is gonna close in the next 30 minutes. But we're looking for no SMTs because of the OTEs there. When the OTE is present, SMT are usually not going to happen. I mean, if it does happen, it's gonna fail. Oh, hold on, I gotta talk to the manager of these motherfuckers for this shit. Crazy. He's twice confused though. Nah, same thing as EU, bro. Just waiting for this pullback here. I want to see a stab into that shit. All right, this is good. I want to see something. Yeah, this is a good stab in there. You mind chat? Today's a USD bank holiday. Today is a bank holiday for USD. What's happening in USD? This. Hold on, one second. One second. One second. One second. Today is a bank holiday, but there's no bank holiday here. Where I'm not. There's no bank holiday. So I want to be careful a little bit. So market may stagnate around 11 a.m. So at 11 a.m. if you don't get your setup, bro. Hey. All right, chat. Market want to tweak with us here. I think the next 4 hour can opening is gonna be the one. Right now, I feel like this one should be just calling for a fair price. We have a legit low. Okay, we do have a legit low at this 4 hour low, which is nice. So looking for result to get 4 hour low to get soup. Looking for that model one confirmation, all the good stuff. Then we're looking to execute it long. All right, let's see what the market wants to do here. I think we got a push to the downside here. I want to see that Ferrari get some sort of respect here. I'll go for it. Holy, you guys see the freaking crude oil? Holy. Damn, that bitch is pumping. Over here. Of course, bro, because of war. Nah, I mean there was a total soup on crude oil, bro. Crude oil, bro. Those chat. Look at this shit. They start a whole war just to get SMT'd on. Like there was some sort of SM. There's a this chart doesn't show the whole chart, but there was a total soup with a low. Let me just go to the higher time. Right over here, bro. What the fuck? Look at this. CRT. Boom. Line that shit up. Like, if you're down here, this is the worst start. Wait, when did the war start? 2 to 3 weeks ago. This setup gave you a couple months ago. So it determines wars, bro. Crazy, dog. You could, hey, if how they say it, show me the chart, I'll tell you the news, man. That's some crazy shit right there. Market makers be doing anything now to make a quick buck out of this market, bro. It's crazy. Yikes, no setup, man. Come on. Come on, it's done. It's done. No problemos. Bro, the spread. Okay, I just texted them. They said the spread is supposed to be because MT4 didn't show the actual spread there, so it makes sense. All right. So 1.4. So if I have a stop loss, it's 1.4. Bro, I have to increase my pip stop losses, bro. I have to increase it by. Actually, I'm gonna change this from 0.8 to 0.8. Because I'm pretty sure Romeo said it to change it. I have to check it today. Because I have to check it right now, actually. Because if I get a setup, nah. Guys, prices are crazy. Bro, if it gives me that shitty entry, dog, I'm gonna kill that guy. I'll be right back. I gotta take a shit. Alright, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm not gonna use my phone anyways. So, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I have to take a shit. We're back. I've been taking a good shit. Ah, Mukasa. Mukasa. Moikasa. Let's see if we get a retracement here. I want to see some sort of a pullback. Please, mate. We're buying below and 4-hour up at the price. Risk. So we in the 4-hour time frame, keep in mind chat, we already do have this 4-hour CRT here. So we are just looking to execute this trade. I want to see some sort of pullback. I want to see some sort of a failure swing trade here. That could definitely potentially happen here. Huge chances. Wars, bro, because of the war. Hell yeah, man. You right there. You right there. You got me. You got me today. let's see. Market tweaking up on me, man. Let's see. I want to see some sort of pullback. Oh, come on. Hey, what's good, my boy? Truck driving gamer. My boy said you didn't trade yesterday. I got cooked yesterday. My setup already happened. The FOMC caught me and yikes. Why is he not speaking? Why is he not saying anything so unprofessional? Yawning and putting your finger in your ear. He doesn't even have the trade open. Yeah, because I don't have no setup. You already said something. Go back on the video. Listen, what's your problem? So I'm interested on what's happening around the world right now, bro. I'm just looking at what's happening around the world. They're what do you call it? They're fucking doing some trade deals on Iran with Russia. So I'm interested on that. Hey, shout out to the Russians and Iranians, bro. Oh, why are you picking your ears, bro? Because my ears kind of watery for some reason, dog. Because I think I swam and water got my ear a little bit. Starts to make me mad because when I'm sleeping, it makes that sound. It makes me a little mad, bro. So that's why I'm picking my ears. Oh, man, I want to say some sort of a pullback. No pullback. See what G up with G was. Ah, damn, G was stagnating too. My boy, Chris G, man. I think you want to put your stop loss a little tighter, but you gotta be like a little smarter with your stop loss. Here, did you enter the trade right up here? You entered this long, right? Bro, you could have entered out of the threshold of this trade, bro. That would have sounded way better, bro. Because, like, your entries are, I see it right now, bro. It's kind of, the stop loss, the RR. Because when the stop loss is big, the RR goes down, right? So you want to have a higher, how you said, the goal is to have higher RR. If the goal is to have higher RR, you need to, you know what I'm saying, get a little tight stop loss. You could have entered the threshold of the order block that you're interested in buying, you know what I'm saying? Because the order block is big, so 50% retracement is bound to happen most of the time. What's good, my boy? Do more. Just waiting for this chat. Hey, somebody in the group has a Tel Aviv on fire, bro. Funny as hell. Holy. This shit funny as hell. Hey, it's time. Like, if you guys are future trader, bro, you should be making a bread out of this, bro. Especially crude oil. Funny as hell. Bitcoin and gold not affected by the Iran war. No, it was affected, bro. Look at the pullback, bro. My trade pulled back all the way back to my entry, dog. Is I'm currently up still, but bro, it affected Bitcoin, bro. It affected Bitcoin hard. Look, I was entered all the way here, so he pulled all the way back from 109K to 104K back, bro. What? This one souped it out. Holy, hold up. Where's Bitcoin now? Oh, he souped it out. He souped out this low. Okay. So since he souped out that low, we have some sort of SMT here. So that's nice. Yes, I have a problem with that lately. RR is small because of a bigger stop loss, about 15 to 20 pips. I closed EU long though and wait for a cleaner setup. What you want to do is I already made a video on this before where you want to have a scenario. So if the order block is massive and it's huge, you want to have a threshold entry. US Tech 100. I don't trade US Tech 100, bro. I trade basically Eurusd. Eurusd, explain your setup, bro. I got you, brother. I got you. I'm looking for a long at the moment. The reason I'm looking for a long is basically out of the short-term drawn liquidity. Overall, I do want to see market go lower, but the short term is bullish. So if follow the short term, because short term will overall pave the way to the long-term drawn liquidity. Because if you're shorting right now, there may be some sort of sales, but the setup probably going to get it's probably the setup probably going to lose, right? If you're taking this long right now, you're currently in a losing position. So you want to be smart and wait until the short-term drawn liquidity is overall bearish. Then you can short it down. But at the moment, I'm bullish. The reason I'm bullish is, first of all, the higher time frame weekly is bearish, but the weekly is the long-term drawn liquidity, where what I think is going to happen, where I think where the market will go in a long-term basis, next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, right? With a weekly ERL to IRL, as well as a weekly CRT. Basically, CRT is a range, right? Range I got first before this candle closed, it gave us a confirmation, so that range is still valid. Now on a daily time frame, with that range high, with the SMT, with DXY and GU, so this range high is protected. And at the moment, the reason I'm bullish is short-term drawn liquidity, as I said before, and other reasoning is because of, although it's high as SMT, but the resistance block already got tapped, so we could potentially see a retracement, accumulate, eventually target the high, then eventually go lower. But it could be wrong because, you know what I'm saying, my bias consistently changes every single day sometimes, right? Because the shift and draw liquidity changes sometimes, probably every single day. Probably during the session it changes, right? So on a daily time frame, we have a daily IRL to this ERL. Why this ERL and not this bullish candle? Simply because this high right over here was to the price action details. The reason I say this high and not this high is out of the resistance block. So if the market goes back over here, it's highly looking to take out this wick as well because of the price action details. Because there's a resistance block with an SMT. So this is whenever there's a resistance block and there's SMT with the resistance block, the body will play as a role as an ERL. So we went from an ERL on Tuesday back to IRL. That's why we see on Tuesday we see a big dump, right? So on Monday we went from a SMT IRL to ERL being the body only. Why? Because the resistance block had SMT with DXY and GU. Eventually, once we had that, now we're going from a resistance block ERL to IRL. That's why we saw Tuesday dump very hard, right? But even if you're shorting down on Tuesday, you would have been stopped out pretty hard on Tuesday, which was on this day. You had a model 1 confirmation, looked nice, you shorted down, you get stopped out. Why? Because of the fundamentals. The fundamentals are basically the news, right? It was a day before FOMC press conference. So if you're not a total soup trader on these days, you're gonna get stopped out. So the only time you can actually trade the day before FOMC or meeting minutes, although the shirt, what was I gonna say? Although the market did go down lower, but if you're looking for a Marble 1, you were gonna stop out unless you take 2 trades a day. But if you're a total soup trader, that's the only time you can trade the day before FOMC says FOMC meeting minutes. You said short term upside, but you're doing daily chart. Because daily time frame for a day trading is a short term drawn liquidity. It's not the 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't tell you the story, right? Higher time from high power. But daily time frame, we have a different range here. Daily series upside, we have a consolidation reversal, Thursday low of the week, and we're buying below the weekly opening price as well. We have a wick below. We want to see higher price in the next couple candles to at least give us a good candle closure for this weekly candle. So we want to see a good candle close over here. Now, what else do we have here? That's all we got in a higher time frame. We have a daily IRL to ERL. We have a daily series upside. We have a consolidation reversal, Thursday low of the week. This is a weekly profile, as well as we have a wick below equals higher prices. So the day before we had a wick below supporting the CRT. We are looking for higher prices on this specific day, and we could be wrong. Okay, so where shall I place a buy order at what price, my brother, my broski, my brother? Hey, bro, what I'm looking for is I'm looking to buy around somewhere around the 5 a.m. low. That's what I'm looking for a buy. I'm looking for a SMT, not SMT. I'm looking for a total soup long potentially, but we could be wrong, right? Because nobody has 100% win rate. Nobody has 100% accuracy. But we soup out a low, soup out a high, stay below, stay high. This is for the market context and narrative. So this is what supports the price to go up high in the lower time frame for the context and the narrative, right? We have our daily range, soup out a low, soup out high, stable low, stable high, premium discount. We're in discount daily range. So you want to buy up, or as well in discount, so you want to go daily range high. As well as we have a 4-hour range. This is our big ass 4-hour range. So what do you want to use a smaller range just as a execution to target the bigger range, as well as a range, right? We also have a bigger range right over here in the 4-hour time for the market context. Range low, range high. We have S&T the range low with the GU, and eventually we want to go to range high, and that's the market context as well. We have a near continuation. We do have a bearish order flow, but that's the market context. You have to say your financial label for my losses. Hey, not financial advice, bro. Wait, hold up. What price? What do you mean, what price? Oh, it's this low, which is the... What's this fucking... What does the candle say in the low? 46.76. But once it taps there, I'm not gonna long it out of nowhere. I have to wait for a confirmation, like a SMT or a number one, and eventually a resistance block entry. Because I'm looking either for a failure swing on this low, or I'm looking for a super this low. And if the failure swing doesn't show up, we can look for a resistance block long. Potentially, if that doesn't offer us that, then eventually the market is gone. And we're looking to buy below. We're looking to buy only around the 0.50% mark to 0.86 mark of the OT, because we do have a near continuation here. There's a London estimated low of the day, so I'm looking for a OT here. So I'm looking for a classic candle to the upside. I'm looking for a classic candle or daily candle. You want to buy a OTE only, and we want to sell a OTE only, because OTE is basically, what is it, bro? It's a fucking retracement. That's what it is. It's a deep retracement. You want to buy deep retracement, which is right over here. You want to sell deep retracement. You want to buy low, sell high, never buy high, never sell low. Oh boy, Chris G, what you want to do is, like, how you said before, you want to have that title stop loss, but you can look at scenarios. When the order block is big, you want to look for that threshold, right? When I say big, when the order block is bulky candle, look for that threshold entry. If the wick is over in the body, right? The wick is kind of huge. You want to look for that, resistance block entry. That will right here help you with your RR. You bump up your RR by a lot. Oh shit. My boy said 1.14667. 146. Yes. But I'm not gonna buy it there, out of nowhere. I have to wait for some sort of confirmation. If the market pulls back in the next hour or so, we probably will, but we can't just go like this. Okay, we got no SMT here. Great. No SMT. No SMT. Nice. No SMT. I want a pullback. I want to see a pullback. Yeah. I want to see a purge between 9 to 10:30. Yeah. We may not get a setup today. Hey, bro, I want to see World War III start. Bro, World War III starts, bro. I am putting the house on this line. Hey, Chad, the reason, bro, is, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Literally yesterday, a paper came to my house saying that you're required to join a military. Like, you're required to join a government force, like, Marines or one of that. Bro, right when Israel started the war, that's the time when they sent me the freaking paper. I'm like, what? Hell no. I ain't dying for Israel, you stupid ass. Yeah. Crazy. It's out here crazy. They're gonna make you die for a different country, bro. Get out of here, bro. bro, Trump is a puppet, bro. I hate this guy, dog. Puppets, puppets. I hate puppets. I'm back, yes sir. What's good, my boy? T Wavy. T Wavy. Goofy ass little kid name, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. But are you a 16-year-old, huh? Are you a little baby? Are you a little gambling addict? Huh? USD holiday price not moving. Yeah, that's what I told you guys, man. You open your trade yet, my killer brother, my jigga. Yo, I gotta hey, I probably know you, dog. Jigga, bro. People call me out here. People call me Chigga, bro. I'm like, what's wrong with you, dog? I would tell you, hey, I fight in the MMA gym, right? Like, which is like 3 minutes away from, I know 4 minutes away from me, like in a car, like 10, 13 minutes away from, walking. I literally sometimes walk there, but the weather is so beautiful sometimes. Bro. I just walk there. It's beautiful. Bro, people call me Chigga, bro. I don't know why, bro. USD holiday price now moving. Yes, I already talked about that, bro. I'm 23, full-time working in McDonald's 45 hours a week. I got too many credit cards. That's when I make money every day. I withdraw 90% and just give it to my credit card. Then card T on trading from balance Monday and just repeat. Yes, sir. Hey, I respect the grind. Oh my god, bro. Bro, chat. The MMA strength is crazy, bro. It's like nowhere near having a bodybuilding strength, bro. It's the difference is immaculate. I started Monday 20 pounds, then night went 300 pounds. Now I'm back on 100 pounds. I'm so upset. So I'm a copy chose here with you a lot. Thank you. Thanks to you. Hey, bro. I'll financial advice. You could lose. Hey, we have been in a losing streak, bro. We have been in a losing streak. So if you lose, on you, brother. But the Monday trade was crazy. Monday, bro, chat. We literally market reversed from a nine float. What do you call it? A 9% floating RR, bro. Hey, we in this together. Don't worry. If I lose, it's on you. It's okay. Yep. Man, we good. We good. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's on me? Nah. It's on you, dog. You tweak it, dog. Hey, before you guys even watch the stream, I always say not financial advice. I put in my Discord. So if you're in Discord, if you click the verified button, yeah. UK Take 100 is so nice to hear. Nice on you. Bro, stop brushing your. Whoa. Miss Walk. Yo, what's up? Yo, Muslim, my brother. Yes. Alhamdulillah, man. You know. You know. Damn. But chat, Egyptian or Moroccan or Turkish, bro. I ain't none of them, bro. You know what? I'm Persian, bro. That's what I am. I'm a Persian, Persian Arabic. or some type of Arab, but I doubt. Hey, Arab. They call me Arab. I don't know why, but they call me that. Persia? Yeah. I ain't that type of person, bro. I ain't that type of person. Calm down, calm down. Ain't that type of person, bro. I ain't that Iranian person. Love, bro. I love what your bro's doing for us back in the Middle East. Yep, alhamdulillah, man. Part of my country, part of two of my countries, actually. Why not? Uh, hey, yeah, you Shia then? No, no, I'm not Shia, bro. I'm a Muslim, bro. That's what I am. I'm a Muslim, alhamdulillah. But what I could say, I'm not Shia, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's what we would think, bro. I was like, yo, chill out, bro. But he has a. Let's see, what the fuck is this slide doing, bro? Bro, this is so real. I've rarely met a Persian Iranian that's a Shia. I mean, bro, it's like, how can I say this? Everybody has their own perspective, bro. Hey, check UK one or Tech 100 though, cause I'm your new best friend. Oh, I don't check any chart other than what I'm trading, bro. Unfortunately, I don't do that. Cause that you gotta be on your own, bro. Hey, I don't because those charts I'm not new to it, right? So this is what I primarily trade. This is where I make my money. I don't trade. I can't even trade it, bro. It's just for me, man. I don't do it for nobody, bro. Unless you're gonna pay me $1,000, I got you. Unless you wanna go into debt, I got you. I get you, man. I know, but just look at it. I just want to see your opinion. Wallahi, bro, please. A'udhu billah, man. Don't say wallahi on a chart, bro. That's gonna say in the serious situations only, mate. But hey, I got you, man. I got you. What was it called? UK Tech 100. Oh shit, I could be wrong here, eh? What's it called? UK Tech 100. What was the US Tech 100, bro? There is no such thing as UK Tech 100, bro. UK or you mean US 100, bro? NAS 100. Oh, okay, okay, I got you now. Holy shit. I mean, overall, I'm still bullish. I bought Bitcoin. I bought a shit like all down here. That's weekly CRT. At the moment, what do we have here? Weekly ERL to IRL. Just do the chart here. But I feel like we should definitely we should definitely be getting a fake top at the top, push lower a little bit, then eventually go up higher. Because we want to get dumb money to, you know what I'm saying? Think they're gonna go lower. So what we have in a higher time frame is we have a weekly ERL to IRL right over here. So I want to see a pullback at least down here, or SMT. But as well, we have this weekly CRT to the downside. We as well have this other CRT. So we have two weekly ranges here. We see weekly range high, got person going to do weekly range low. We had a wick above. Now we're looking for this price to close below. I mean, bro, I feel like that weekly, man, please. Oh man, I'm upset. Bro, if you're gonna short this, your opportunity is gone, bro. Like your best opportunity was on Monday. Your opportunity is gone here, dog. Monday or Tuesday was the best opportunity. Yeah, your opportunity is long gone. Yeah, you're long gone. This is the best opportunity to short. Because you're gonna short this all the way down to here. Because your overall goal is to go down here, and this is the only opportunity you had. Bro, today there's no opportunity today, bro. Your reactions are so funny, man. Hey, I mean, what we do next, bro? Because Flip says I'm hoping for a quick buy because it should be exhausted sell off now. Nah, bro. He's trying to go down here, dog. No, don't, dog. Hey, I'm gonna let you do you. You know what I'm saying? You're independent. But your shorting opportunity is long gone. It's like it's supposed to happen on Monday or Tuesday. I think yeah, Tuesday was the one you're supposed to short at. You're holding that trade for a lower time frame. You're talking the highs. If I can't even trade that, because to me, it's my broker doesn't allow it. Okay, just say yes. I'll sell it now. Just say yes. Nah. I said yes, sold its house already, bro. No, bro. No. It's too low, bro. You want to sell high, buy low, sell. Bro, you joking with me here, bro. You're joking with me now, huh? Trying to troll. Okay. Okay, I get you. Trying to troll me now. Bro, I need your WhatsApp. You're funny as hell. Hey, bro, I don't use WhatsApp, bro. Who uses WhatsApp, bro? Who uses that shit, dog? Join my Discord. I'm laughing my ass off right now, bro. Wallahi. I don't know. I don't think I'm funny. I be laughing for no reason. I ain't gonna lie. She's not funny though to me. Discord? Yep. Nas will buy, then continue. Nas will buy, then continue down. Yeah, there should be a OTE happening. So yeah. Discord S&M support. And what does that mean? I don't know what that mean, bro. Bro, I be flipping well. Said what? Oh, send money, bro. I be flipping well. Hell nah. If you're in my chat, bro, I don't think you're flipping well, bro. If you're flipping well, you wouldn't be here. It means say no more. Where Discord ad, bro? Oh yeah, join my Discord. I have a whole community. Join there. Eventually, just send me a what's it called? I don't know what it's called. What's it called in English? Send me a friend request, something like that. Hey, bro, you're funny as hell over here on Discord. Let me see. Yeah, we're getting a strong pullback. I want to see a stronger pullback though, bro. That's not enough. That is not enough, man. Where's Trader at, man? Trader, you still in the book? I be Trader be watching my live without talking. He be making me a little bit uncomfortable. You know what I'm saying? Worry, bro. What's good? What's good? T Wavy, bro. That gotta be some childish name, bro. Check Discord, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did, bro. Hey, what's good? What's goody, my boy? Let's see. I want to see some sort of I want to see some sort of a pullback. Hey, bro. What's good? Hello, I would like to put my charge too on his indicator. I'll code your. Shut your bitch ass up. These guys, people tweaking, bro. Bro, retrace, what are you doing, bro? We're consolidating, bro. Yo, why did I just see this, bro? Hey. This is the person that popped up in my For You page, dog. What? Hey, where's the guy? That's not that fun. If you were to say that to his face, you'd beat your ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, just let me push me. Let me leave this shit. Hey bro, this is my trading setup. 6 water, coffee coming soon. Ash, tray, charger, bro. I wish I could come on to stream with you. It'd be funny so we could get more views. Yes sir, bro. We could definitely, bro. It will be a little funny. Hey, that's still gonna be IRL streams, bro. Inshallah. I'll have to see you on that in the future. Check Discord, bro. Yep, I just checked it, bro. I keep on looking at something else. Let's do it right now, then. Yeah, actually, I'm down, bro. Just join the live chat. Hold on, let me just join the what it called, the trading boy chat. I got you, bro. I'll do it right now. I do this right now. Let me go and get out my because my dumbass be scrolling on his Twitter shit. Yeah, join the what is it called? Trading boy chat. I'm on too, bro. What's good? Yeah, join up. Hey, bro, I don't think you're gonna be flipping well after smoking some cigarettes and vaping, bro. I don't think that's gonna help you in any way, bro. That's probably just gonna make you spend. That's probably gonna make you, spend even more than you're supposed to be spending onto trades, bro. But I want to see a pullback here, bro. What the fuck you doing, bitch ass nigga? This son of a bitch, man. What the fuck is this chart doing, bro? Market maker. Help me out, market maker. What's good, man?
What's up, man?
What's goody, man? How you doing?
Not bad.
Sir, where you from, brother? You sound like you're Egyptian or something like that, bro.
I'm from the United Kingdom, bro.
United Kingdom? Hey, nah, you're a foreigner. I know that for real, bro. But like, where you from?
Yo, bro, wait, hold on. How can why you was on the speak now?
Wait, say it again, please.
No, it wasn't on speak. I can hear you much better now.
Oh, hold on. Let me go and put the audio chat for the stream. You good now? But where you from,
Yes,
Florida?
bro.
Like, I'm saying, I know you're from. I know you live in United Kingdom, but what's your, foreign country, bro?
Oh, cool. I'm born and raised here, but I'm Bangladeshi. You know what that is?
Hell yeah! Shout out to you guys, bro. I think I got Bangladesh. Oh, Bangladeshi. Okay.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
That's nice, bro. Al Mubarak, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You got the Indian accent, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
No, I don't, man. I'm doing it on purpose. My accent is proper London. You get me?
I feel you got them fucking. What are the people over there called, bro? I only know USA. USA in the Middle East. Nothing else.
I only know UK.
Oh yeah.
To be honest with you. Yeah, man.
Hey, USA is so diluted, bro. We don't know anything but the USA and the Middle East, bro. Anything else we don't really know about.
Ah, suck, man. How old are you?
Bro, I'm like 23, bro, as well, bro.
Oh, mashallah, same as me.
What?
Same as me.
Hell yeah, bro. It's nice.
So are you rich, bro?
Rich? I'm gonna get there, bro. If I was rich, I wouldn't be streaming, bro. You know what I'm saying? I would be living life.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just doing this just for the, the execution and shit like that.
If I was to do live, I'd just be doing it for the bands, to be honest.
Now, to be honest, to me, I'll be doing it just for the execution, just so I can, show my live data and shit like that. And another way, like a journal, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to be winding down journals every single day acting like a nerd, bro. That's a little too far.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? Speaking of Euro, yeah, I was actually in a position earlier today.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you. Were you longs or shorts, bro?
I was actually long in it, but obviously I got took out. But basically, it was below. This is from the morning today, so this is like within the last 7 hours, yeah. So it was below 1.14700, yeah.
1.1.
And because it's still below, basically 700. And because I thought it was staying below 700, I thought, okay, I'll wait, maybe it's gonna drop or whatever. As soon as they went past 700, I just stayed on longs. And then the next one I was waiting for was 800. And then they went to 800, but then they went down again.
They stopped you out, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So when that happens, I mean, because this is considered. If you what's your strategy, bro? Are you like ICT or something like that?
No, I'm just 10 pips SL and.
Oh yeah. So because usually for my thing is at 7 a.m. right? You see the 7 at the time of the candle when it pulled back down, right?
Yeah.
When it pulls back down, they usually around 7 a.m. market will usually do a pullback before going back up higher. That's why you probably got stopped out.
Yeah. Then exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So
when it went from when it went to 800 to
after you got stopped out.
715.
My bad. Go ahead.
No, when I went to 800, 40, and then it went all in after 715. That's when I was like, fuck, man. I literally couldn't done well, but I didn't want to risk it too much. So luckily, I only lost like a couple pounds, but.
That's good. Because usually, you know what I'm saying? You see how the market went right back up higher? Yeah, that's the reason, bro. So you chilling. You just gotta have the right time, because I think you're a 10 pips traded, right? You trade 10 pips every time, right?
Not for profit, but for SL, yeah.
Yeah, sell stuff, yeah. So you do 10 pips. So you just wanna buy and sell at the right time, bro. That's all you gotta care about, bro.
Yeah.
If the London is in the middle of the day and you're bullish, just wait till a pullback. Just long that shit, and eventually should be making it.
I don't get why it's doing this today. Like, it went past 700, so that was a bit stable. Then it went past 800. It didn't really hold it that well, but if it touched it, I was gonna assume, okay, it's gonna finally go to 16, because that's what everyone's anticipating for it to go to 16. But I don't know. It might be because obviously you look at bank holiday right now.
Yeah, there's a bank holiday. Yeah. And I mean, the thing is, market can do whatever you want to do. We just don't want to get in a bad, price action. Right now, it's like the market's not moving, so I'm good. I'm preserving capital for the good moments. Because what I do, bro, I risk 5%, bro. So I make my money quick. I make a lot of money quick,
What? What? 10 as well. 10 pips.
Nah, my stop loss is like around. It depends. To cover spread, let's just say if I 3 pip stop loss on my technical analysis, I add up like an extra pip just for the spread, and that's like a 4 pip stop loss, and I target like a lot,
Okay.
Yeah, try to go with the high RR. You know what I'm saying? Because my win rate is low, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I need that RR to be there, huh?
Why is it low?
Because of the true, you know what I'm saying? Right now, at the moment, it's low because in the future, it's going to be higher. But, because I'm making little mistakes, so it will definitely be low. So the mistakes are causing me to lose, so, you know what I'm saying? But the RR, I'm still up by the 6 by, for the past 6 months, I'm still up. But the thing is that I'm up by a lot, but the losses piled up a lot, though, as well, But I'm still up because of the RR, My trades go for 5 RR, 10 RR, 14 RR, 20 RR, somewhere around there. And maybe more.
That's not bad.
I'm just
Not
trying.
bad.
I'm just
I
trying
don't,
to. I'm just trying to eliminate mistakes.
yeah.
But
You know what? I've been in this for about fucking maybe 4 years, 4 years probably. And I've never traded like this before. Before, I didn't give a shit about SL or anything like that.
oh my goodness, bro! When that happened, you know how much I lost because of that shit? I lost over 100,000, bro. Because of crypto, especially.
Bro, I was about to say 8,000. You're saying 100. What the fuck?
No, because I was leveraging, bro. What the fuck, my dumb ass.
Shit,
And you know,
man.
and I
Bro,
recently I lost even more because my coins, right? They literally hit the all-time low of the past bear market. I'm like, what the fuck? And none of them
oh fuck.
recovered, bro. None of them recovered except ETH and you know the big top tens, right? Everything else just fucking plummeted. But the reason I made so much money was because of the altcoins, But bro, when they hit the
Oh
all-time
shit.
low, I
Okay,
was
fair enough.
fucked, bro. I was like, yeah, I'm gone, bro. I gotta cash out. I still made money, but lost a lot. Lost a lot of
Yeah.
the capital that I could have used to help me even more in the future, but got me fucked up a little bit.
Fair enough. At least it's still up now, though. Like
Yeah, I'm still
overall,
up,
when
but
it.
that itch gets to me. I was like, damn, what the
Yeah.
fuck did I? Because I knew
Bro.
I analyzed Bitcoin, right? As you know, bro, Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down, but harder, right? If Bitcoin goes up,
Yeah.
everything else goes up, but harder. Pause,
Yeah.
pause. So you know what I'm saying? I analyzed Bitcoin. I said it's gonna go down. My dumbass didn't get the chart. I was like, it can go higher. But I forgot about the general rule of thumb with Bitcoin's in control the whole time, right? Because it's a
Yeah.
56% control of the market. That means he's in control most of the time. And
Bro,
set,
that's crazy. 50%.
yeah,
Fucking
bro.
hell.
56. I think around 56% of the control of the whole market because it's what $3 trillion market.
Yeah, true, true. Yeah, the market cap's quite massive. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, which is not good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, do you remember when euro dollar was on like one? It was on €1, like 1.00, and it actually
Oh
went below
yeah,
it. Do
I
you
gave a
remember that?
signal out there already. I give a signal from there. I think it was I gave a signal at 1.1.
Yeah, fuck, man. On the way down, that's when I made 7,000, but then I didn't close it because I was being an idiot, and then I lost it all.
Oh
Yeah, it
wow!
was just crazy.
The same time you shorted it, I longed it up from there on forward, bro.
Oh,
I
that's
even have the
crazy.
signal before. I even have the picture for it, bro. I can show you the picture right now. Hold on, let me see if I get the picture
Fuck, man.
of the whole 12 month, from the low of the 12 month to the high of the 12 month. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's really crazy.
Let me see if I get
That's
the
really fucking
picture.
crazy.
Damn, I gotta go. I gotta go find the picture for this shit. What the fuck? And I ain't doing all that shit. Let me see if I could find it. Damn. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, fuck that shit. I just gotta find it later, bro. Years ago, yes, sir. Damn, you fool porting that shit, dog. Holy.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bro, I did that, bro. I turned a lot of money too, but the thing is, where'd it go? My shit went to zero, bro. You know why?
Yeah.
Because I over leveraged, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've told this story multiple times before, but flipping
Yeah.
wasn't the way to go for me, bro. Because that the reason
Yeah, I know, bro. I learned the hard way, man. Fucking hell,
me
trust
too,
me.
bro. That the reason I knew it was the hard way, I learned the hard way because the guy who made way more money than me, he just compounded it naturally, right? Because every time we saw the same capital, right? But he still stayed
Yeah.
alive and made 10 times more money than me. Because when at
Well,
first I made so much, but guess where they go to zero? He slowly went up because compound interest, right? So every time he made money, right? The next trade is gonna have a new capital to trade with, right? So you're gonna raise the same amount, but same
mm,
amount of percentage wise, but with a new capital. So he makes more naturally. I'm like, damn, I should have done that shit too. I was about to turn
ah,
12,000 to 100,000, but I lost I lost under 15 minutes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Went to 7,400, then lost it all, and then when credit cards, loans, etc. Now I'm in debt of 8,000. Yikes, man, you gotta make it back, inshallah, bro. I feel you, bro.
inshallah, that's what I'm trying to do, bro, man. McDonald's ain't cutting it for me right now.
Yeah, the work is not cutting for nobody. Bro. I don't even work anymore, bro.
Actually, yeah, exactly, exactly. Damn, mashallah.
You know what I'm saying? Right now, just business wise, bro, just gotta stay on this shit.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, all I do is do this, do my other businesses, and eventually go to MMA gym, bro. That's all I do.
Oh, for real, nice.
Who is that? It's my boy. That's T Wavy, bro. Bank holiday. Yes, I know, bro. That's why I'm just literally waiting for the market to close. I'm waiting till 10:30. Eventually, after 10:30, if I don't get a soup, I'm done from the market, bro. Because that's what the
Wait,
first time.
10:30?
Yeah, usually 10:30 is if you don't get a purchase between that time, before that time, market would usually stagnate afterwards. So you don't want to trade afterwards.
Wait, what's the time right now for you? I'm on 3:02
Mine is
PM.
10 a.m.
Yo, what?
Mine is 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yeah, what about you?
Alright. 3:02 PM.
8:02 p.m. God, it's p.m.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yo, y'all got that nice shit, bro. Y'all got that good. Bro, I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning every day, bro. I go to sleep at 11 p.m. because I have to do stuff, right? Eventually, because MMA from 7
If you're
p.m.
in the UK, it's pretty lit. Let me tell you. Look, you got 8 for us, yeah. Anyways, like our time, 8 a.m. London opens. Then you got 1 o'clock America open. And even if you're up late, you can do it at 1 a.m., which is when the Asia session opens for us.
Nah, don't
So it's
trade
like-
Asia session. That's 1 a.m. Who trades 1 a.m. over there, bro?
I know, but that's why if you're just trying to look for like, just a bit
if you're money hungry,
opportunity.
bro. If you're money hungry.
Yeah.
That'll be funny as that.
For
Hey,
real.
bro, y'all got a good time, bro. I gotta wake up 5 a.m. in the morning every single day. Just look at the market, just to lose money and go back to sleep.
So shit, man. Wait, what time is your Fajr?
Fajr is right here. I think it's around 5. I think 4 a.m. or 5 a.m., bro. It's 5 p.m. on my side. Damn. He's in Africa though. Okay, that's nice.
Damn.
I mean, hey, thank God I got a time at 5 a.m. because this is my early day. Because if I don't wake up at 5 a.m., I usually will, sleep too late. So this helps me wake up early in the morning and pray on time.
Exactly. Yeah.
So my mind doesn't procrastinate. Yeah, the trading session is a little later. Let me sleep a little bit.
Yeah.
That right there messes up your whole day. Because usually in the morning time when I'm waking up, that's the most productive time I have, right? So that's when I want to be doing the most.
Yeah, I heard that.
Because later on you get a little lazy, you want to take a little nap and shit like that. That right there is gonna fuck you up. Nice, bro. My boy had that Naruto Stormy. Oh my goodness, bro. Y'all got that corny ass names, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I used to have those type of names, bro. When I used to play video games, bro, when I was a little kid, bro. I was like, bro.
No, that's my code name for like at least the last 8 years.
Holy, last 8 years, bro. That's nice.
It's actually, yeah.
8 years. Let's go, my boy Skyro. That's goody. That's
I think it's a
crazy,
bit
bro.
tough.
Hello, guys.
What up,
Hello,
bro?
guys.
How are you?
Good, how
I'm
are you,
alright.
man?
How are you?
Alright, chat. I'm just waiting. Your monkey's tweaking up in this shit, bro.
Yeah, it is minute 15. Looks a bit.
Let's see. Tomorrow should be a good day to pull back up higher to close for the weekly range, bro. Because
Definitely, bro. Definitely.
you've been plumbing a little too hard recently, bro.
Mm.
Bro, that Tuesday sales was crazy, bro. But I had a sell on Tuesday. I didn't take it though because of the. If I were to take this Tuesday sell, I would have been stopped out. But the market right after take a stop loss, the market give you another setup, and that one delivered. But I can only take one trade a day, so I want to be very precise at that. Precise on losing trades. Hold up, chat. Let's see what's up. What's good, my boy Skyro, how you doing, my boy? Where you from, Skyro?
What?
Where you from?
No, it's Bankoli. I'm from Morocco.
Morocco.
Oh, Morocco,
yeah,
yes. Tangier, Agadir, Marrakesh, Casablanca.
Agadir, yes, Agadir. My city is Agadir.
Yeah, man, I spoke to way too many Moroccan girls in the past.
Nice, bro.
I'm married now, alhamdulillah, but anyway.
No Mubarak, bro.
This day I have bank holiday. This
I'll be back in
consolidation is what?
Let's see what's up with the market here. Tweaking. Damn, that nigga still playing Roblox, bro. What the fuck? That nigga Nasdaq, bro. I think it was on our way. That nigga was playing a marathon, bro. It's crazy, bro. A 5-hour marathon. God. Shit, who can play a video game for 5 hours, bro? Shit. Hey, that's what
Bro, I'm
happens.
back.
That's what happens in a foreign country, bro. You got chill time the whole day, bro. Where I used to live, bro, the whole day, just chill out. Like that Vinland Saga, what is it called? That one anime movie? Was it anime movie or anime shit? I don't even fucking watch anime. That shit gay.
Yeah, word, bro.
Hey, the only thing I ever watched as a kid was Naruto, bro. That's why my usually when I was used to kid, I used to put my name as my last name was Uzumaki. Looking at that shit funny as hell.
Rich.
Huh?
That's crazy, man.
Hey, that was like the old days. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, Taki Uzumaki had that.
Nearly, did it touch 800? I didn't even see it.
Yeah, they tap 800 right now.
Oh, it's actually above, yeah.
Yeah, it's above. You wanna buy below that shit because if you buy right now, it's probably gonna consolidate a lot. Market is tweaking.
Yeah.
I wanna buy around the 0.50% mark of this OTE of this range. This shit tweaking. But it does look good for longs, bro. Bro, if you guys are trading London session, bro, you guys are milking that shit, bro. If you guys don't trade London session,
I've been biased for longs for the past since Monday, bro. But I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe there's just not enough volume today or something. But I was hoping
big holiday.
today was
That's
supposed to be
because of volume.
116.
Look at the past 2 days, bro. You've been expanding so hard, you know what I'm saying? So you wanna market needs to chill for a day, you know. Because 70% of the time, what's the market doing? Consolidating, right? Consolidation. Most of the time it's consolidating. So the next one day is gonna be consolidation just to mess people up with their positions. Market makers are crazy, bro. They're kind of gay, ain't gonna lie. They literally started a whole war just to make a quick money, bro. Quick buck. They go to crude oil, bro. They pump crude oil so bad, bro. Crazy. They just starting wars just to make money. That's horrendous, bro.
It was horrible.
Killing people just to make money. They're that money hungry, bro. Once you're like a multi-millionaire, what do you need money at that point, right? At that point, you could do anything you want. What's the point of money anymore? It's crazy, bro.
Let's
see. Let's see what's up with X, bro. I want to see some shit. What are the guys? Oh, Hail Hitler. What the fuck is that? What's Hail Hitler? Chat, what is Hail Hitler? That's actually my For You page, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, let me touch it up. What does that mean? What does Hail Hitler mean? What does Hail shit H-E-I-L Hitler mean? Is a German phrase that means Hail Hitler in English. It was used as a greeting expression of loyalty to Adolf Hitler, the dictator of Nazi, particularly during the time of the Third Reich. Now you know all that shit. The Hail to hail or salute. Who the fuck is Hitler, bro? Oh, it was that guy who killed the Jews. Ah, damn. They did a good job. Congrats. Chosen people fucking looking ass. Niggas pissing me off here, bro. I had a Jewish client, bro. Look, I didn't even know what was Hitler until I had a Jewish client. Pissed me off, dog. I was like, you gotta get the fuck out. Don't wait. Don't wait, nigga. Get out. Wait, Poppy, wait. No, nigga. Get out. Bro, what the fuck is the market doing? Chat, I'm done literally, bro, because if I don't get a sub in the next 15-minute time, I'm done from this bitch.
15 minutes. Wait, 17 minutes.
Yeah,
I mean, 18 minutes.
Yeah. Damn, you counted the exact time, bro.
We're British, bro. That's how we roll.
That's how you roll.
Yeah.
Holy. We don't even say the exact number, we just say a number close to it, and eventually we don't even get close to the number, we just exit it right before it.
Actually, sometimes I do that as well. Like, I'll say like I'm 10 inches, stuff like that.
Bro, you kids out there is crazy. What's happening around there right now? There's a lot of knife and shit. Hey, thank God we don't have that around here, bro. I got
Trust me,
a car, bro,
every
because
day, man.
over there, bro, the car is expensive over there, right? Isn't it like very expensive because the roads are very small?
Yeah, and insurance as well.
Holy, thank God. Over here, there's a lot of highway, but
Yeah,
thank
if you're
God,
like, if
I
you're like
don't want to be
17, if you're
nowhere
like
near the train
17,
station, bro. You will never see me in the train station, bro. If you see me in the train station, shoot me in the head, bro.
oh, don't worry.
Even over here, bro, you do not want to be near these buses, bro. These bitches fucking crazy.
Most of the UK is relying on buses,
Yeah, this is such a
especially in
small
London.
country, bro. If you're rich over there, bro, driving that Ferrari and shit, inshallah, that's gonna be the goal for all of us here, bro. If it's not the whole community, we will prevail. Hey, what is it called? We will prevail. Hold up, I just heard that shit. I gotta check my dictionary. Hold up, what does prevail mean? To succeed or win. Yes, sir. Inshallah. Bro, my last broker fucked me up so bad, bro.
Oh, who you with? I'm with IC Markets.
Oh, I'm in Owanda. I went to an unregulated broker, right? The spreads were beyond crazy, bro. And the time I traded, right, was during the New York session, right? So the spread's like a little tighter, bro. But the spread was 5 pips. Like right when I entered the trade, I took a loss. Like where'd the money go? Where my not trade? Where's my trade not there? Oh my! Because I had a predetermined stop loss, so I put it there. Right when the market moved like 2 ticks down, up stop loss. I was like, what? What happened? I was wondering whether I eventually checked my dictionary. It was like, yo, you went to a loss. I was like, what? Yo, this unregulated broker where I live is because over here in USA, you want to have, because if you're in USA and you're not a US citizen, it's hard for you to get a regulated broker because you need to have, your passport, everything like that. So most of you guys go to unregulated broker, bro. So, but even with that, bro, you're getting clapped. Like how we did on Monday. No, Monday we didn't get clapped. Monday we what is it called? What happened on Monday? Something happened on Monday. Fucking the market reversed after being up 9 RR. He just needed to pump 2 more RR to hit our take profit. It's 2 more RR. But he decided not to. You are not a US citizen? I am, bro. I've been US citizen, bro. Come on, bro. If you're not a US citizen, you can't open up a Owanda account or any of these accounts that are regulated in the US due to the, what I'm saying, regulations around here. It's kind of crazy, bro. I didn't even know. I don't even know what was the difference between an unregulated broker and a regulated broker until I had to find out. I had to find out again. The only difference is that I use more leverage. That's why it turned out, you know, a lot. That's how I flipped my accounts. But you know what I'm saying. Otherwise, it's fucking useless. Because that 500x leverage seems beautiful at first, but after you get smacked, ain't gonna seem beautiful. After a booty claps. Unregulated brokers are illegal, I guess. To you guys, to Indian people, bro. I don't know, bro. I feel like I should be right. I don't think it's not illegal here, but the reason is it's still legal here, but it's not trusted, so it's not a trusted source you should be relying on. So it's not a place where you should be putting your money. So it's a risk. If you put in a regulated broker, the regulated broker were not gonna scam you. I mean, they could still fucking scam you. They could, still shut down and fight the lawsuit and not pay you out. Forex trading is illegal in India. God. Salam, bro. Alaikum assalam, my boy. How you doing? That's why you're trading prop firms, huh? Crazy, bro. Anyway, that thank God, crypto is like illegal in every country at the moment, bro. That's very nice, bro. Because crypto is very easy to trade, bro. My crypto trade right now is tweaking on me, bro. What the fuck? This shit really pulled back again. It pulled back around 109K, bro. Damn, Solana is dipping. What the fuck is wrong with Solana, dog? I haven't bought Solana. Why did I happen to know? Do I have a long trade up here? Oh yeah, I entered a trade. So I haven't entered a trade yet. I'm still waiting a little bit. I may see today. I may enter a trade up, but there should be some sort of SMT with this low. I want to see Bitcoin. I want to see Bitcoin push back up higher here, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm on head, yeah?
Yes, sir, brother. All right, bro. I'll see you later, man.
Yes,
Even
thank you, bro.
Allah. That's how you
Yes.
say it.
Salam alaikum.
Allah Hafiz. Salam alaikum, brother. All right, chat. I'm just waiting the next, literally 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. I'm out, chat. I'll see you guys later, too. Shit is not gonna wait. Shit is not gonna pull back down in the next 10 minutes.